Yo everyone, Bearded Air Gunner here. Quick update on the Spiritech air compressor. This thing finally shot craps. I was in mid-processing of airing up of all things a Gauntlet in 177, and the reaction that I get from it now, fill number 37 on the gun, literally. Fans are cut on. Compressor. Oh, the little engine that couldn't. Oh, the little engine that couldn't. So we'll shut the fans off. And that's all it wants to do. Sounds like an old car with a dead battery. So, everybody was wondering whatever happened with it. There's your answer. Like I said, fill 37 gun compressor, air compressor is no more. She is kaput. And of course out of warranty, so won't be getting that one replaced. Till next time, Bearded Air Gunner. Talk to you guys later.